Very good morning to all of you. Now I am going to take mock interview of one of my student. She is from Kerala. Okay, her interview is of State Bank of India PO. Just try to listen the mock interview. You guys will know that on Saturday, upcoming Saturday, psychometric test is there, and today they have already announced the date, means admit card of the final interview. Group discussion and group exercise is already announced. If you are interested for the online and offline mock, my number is 7503235358. Start from may I come in, Sarveta?
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Athira, you are basically from?
I'm from Kerala.
Okay, briefly introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Adira Mohanan. I'm from Kerala, but I was brought up in Maharashtra. So I have completed my schooling and graduation from Maharashtra itself. I have done BCom in 2020. After my graduation, I did few internships, and during my internship I was interested in one of the profiles, and so I continued in a job for 5 months, after which I started preparing for bank exams, and I have been preparing for the past 2 years. I come from a nuclear family consisting of my parents and an elder sister. My hobbies are reading, blogging. That's it, sir, about me.
In which year you have completed your graduation?
In 2020.
So why after some time you leave that job? Because if you are persuaded, means if you are continued over there, then you are having a good opportunity that right now you will stay at a very good point.
See, just as I said, I was interested in that job during my internship, and but when I actually joined that job, and I was there for a period, and then I got to know about bank exams and the opportunities we have or we get in this field. So that is why I started preparing for it.
Okay, who is currently the CM and Governor of Kerala?
CM is Honorable Pinarayi Vijayan, and Governor is Honorable Rajendra Arlekar.
Earlier than this State Bank of India PO interview, you are given any interview?
I have given IBPS PO interview.
Okay, what is the result over there?
I haven't cleared it.
Okay. Tell me something about YONO.
YONO is an application provided by SBI. It stands for You Only Need One, and it was introduced so that people can access their bank accounts from anywhere, and they don't need to visit the branch.
Tell me something about State Bank of India, chairman, tagline, headquarter and all.
State Bank of India tagline is the banker to every Indian, and its CEO is Mr. C.S. Shetty, and it has the logo is a blue circle and which has a keyhole, and it stands for security, safety, and simplicity. The State Bank of India, it came under the Act, State Bank of India Act in 1955, and before that it was known as the Imperial Bank of India.
What is DSIB?
Sorry, no?
DSIB, Domestically Systematic Important
Yes.
Bank.
So domestically systematic important banks are those banks which are too big to fail, which contribute a huge, like these banks contribute 2% to the GDP of a country. So the failure of this bank would affect the financial backbone, like they are the financial backbone of a country.
The three banks are?
Yes, there are three banks. There is SBI, HDFC, and ICICI Bank.
Okay. Suppose after some time you will get a better job than this in regulatory bodies, then you will leave this job?
For now, this is the best opportunity that I have in my hand, and the reputation that this bank has, and it stands for trust, and so I would like to be associated with this bank.
Okay, you are a commerce student, so tell me something about what is monetary policy and fiscal policy. Okay, what is the difference between monetary and fiscal policy? Define it.
So monetary policies, they are like policies that are decided by a committee which is set up by the RBI, and the fiscal policies are taken by the finance ministry of our country, And fiscal policies are mainly based on the changes in taxes, whereas the monetary policies they aim to reduce the inflation, like to maintain the inflation level in the country.
Okay, you heard about the term that is called mm, balance of payment and balance of trade.
Yes, sir. So it's like a balance sheet which shows the transaction our country has with other countries, and balance of trade it shows the transactions we had, like the proper trade of goods, and whereas balance of payment it shows both goods and services that we have received and given to other countries.
Okay, what is difference between hypothecation, pledge, and mortgage?
These are all ways of collateral security. So, in case of hypothecation, it is done on movable goods, but the possession is in the hands of the borrower. Possession and ownership, like when the example we can give is of vehicle loan, and when it comes to pledge, the collateral is with the lender, and the ownership is transferred only when the loan is fully repaid. And so the last one was hypothecation, pledge,
Pledge and
and
mortgage.
mortgage. Mortgage is given on immovable property like house.
Okay, you heard about contingent asset and contingent liability?
Yes, sir. A contingent liability or contingent asset is something which is not now a liability or now an asset, but it may convert into a liability or asset in the future.
What is the difference between profit and loss account and balance sheet?
Profit and loss account is created for a specific period, and balance sheet is prepared on any specific date. We can create it on any specific date. Through profit and loss account, we get to know how much profit or loss we have made during that period from all the transactions. And balance sheet shows the position of that business on a particular date.
Okay, suppose if we will posted you anywhere in India because you are from Kerala, and as you told in your introduction that you has a roots something from Maharashtra also.
Yes, sir.
If we will posted you anywhere in India, then how will you manage?
Like you mentioned that I have lived in Maharashtra, so there are certain benefits that I have just because I have lived at two different places. I have the benefit of knowing the languages, of adapting in various different situations. Also, I am good at communicating with people in both the languages. It may be
You
my
know Hindi
mother.
also?
Yes, sir. I know him.
ओके, सपोज हिंदी में आपको कस्टमर को ये समझाना है कि सेविंग अकाउंट कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो उन्हें क्या समझाएंगी?
यस सर, पहली बात तो हम उनको बताएंगे कि सेविंग अकाउंट उनके लिए कैसे बेनिफिशियल हो सकता है, यानी जिससे कि वो उनका जो भी कैश होगा वो एक्चुअली उनके घर पे ना रखते हुए बैंक में रख सकते हैं। बैंक की अलग अलग सुविधाएं उन तक पहुंच सकती हैं, और किस तरीके से उनका पैसा यहाँ पर सेव होगा, उसके साथ ही उनको वो पैसे पे इंटरेस्ट भी मिलेगा।
ओके, स्कीम्स वगैरह देखा है आपने? व्हाट इज सुकन्या समृद्धि स्कीम?
सुकन्या समृद्धि scheme was started for girl child. It was for parents who wanted to save money for a girl child, and they can open an account before that girl turns 10 years, and after 16 to 18 years they can withdraw a certain amount, and when that girl turns 21 years of old they can withdraw it totally.
Okay, tell me something about the new changes in Mudra scheme.
The limit was extended from like Tarun. Earlier it was Shishu, Kishore, and Tarun, and now Tarun Plus has been introduced, and where the limit has been extended from 10 to 20.
In this year budget, there is a word called standard deduction of 75,000.
Yes, sir.
What is it? It's 75,000 or 50,000? 75,000.
75,000. So it's a deduction that is given to a person irrespective of which bracket they fall in.
Okay, you know about the little bit about CGST and SGST.
Yeah, it's if I am not wrong, if I may guess, it's like central GST and state GST. So the portion of CGST it goes to the central, and the portion of SGST it is retained with the state.
आप एक्स्ट्रा क्या करेंगी, विच टाइप ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स डू यू मीन्स, आप कौन से ऐसे एक्स्ट्रा काम करेंगे जिससे एनपीए टाइम से रिकवर हो पाए?
First of all, I would make sure that like all the loan is given to a proper person for a for whatever need, how much they are asking. So सारे वो जो भी यानी टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस होते हैं वो मीट होंगे तभी तक लोन जाना चाहिए.
आफ्टर दैट सपोज सब मीट हुए हैं, उनको लोन तरीके से गया है, तो उसके बाद क्या करना होगा?
उसके बाद प्रॉपरली एट अ प्रॉपर इंटरवल जाकर चेक करना होगा कि वो जो भी लोन दिया है वो किस काम के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं, वहां से प्रॉफिट आ रहा है या नहीं, तो फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम्स फेस कर रहे हैं वो.
ओके, as we all know that somebody has a special means quality strength, so many people are here to give interview today. Why we select you? What are your qualities?
There are many qualities that I bring forward. Like I said, during my job I was in a field which deals with investment, which deals with people and communication, which through which I know that I have enhanced my skills of communicating and understanding people's need and serving them accordingly. At the same time, I have worked in a team, and so I know how to work in a team, at the same time deliver to a person's need.
Okay, as we all know, in the banking system recently they reduced the repo rate from 6.5 to 6.25, then 6%. What it impacts on Indian economy?
There is a more cash flow in the economy because of that change, and with that people have more purchasing power, so that they can spend more, and this increases the trade. At the same time, it increases money with every single person.
In each and every year there is a flood in Kerala. Last year also, this year also, maybe NS 66 is flooded.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so according to you, what are the major steps a state government and a central government will have to take regarding this?
At present, they are trying their best to prevent it, but to prevent or to reduce all the losses and all. But still, we are like failing as a society to somewhere bridge in that gap. So in my opinion, I think everyone is trying their best.
Okay, at the time of briefing of between India and Pakistan war, who represents two girls from India and the middle person name is initial stages?
Yeah, there were three persons. The first one was Colonel Sofia Qureshi. Then the second one was Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, and the third person was Vikram Mishri sir.
Okay, who is our external affairs minister right now?
It's S. Jaishankar sir.
S. Jaishankar sir. Okay, one question for you. You know that in India there are earlier so many middlemen are there. But when DBTs came, direct benefit transfer, it benefits a lot. Okay.
Yes.
So the main question is this: suppose a state government or a central government start a scheme or any type of yojana, then it is reached to a ground level. As a banker, how would you promote it as a banking scheme or any type of scheme?
First of all, we can connect with our customers who all come to the bank. We can advertise it, try to advertise it through SMSs by sending them SMSs about the information about the schemes, trying to give more information about it, trying to put banners, informative posters at the branch itself, and if they ask maybe through weekly education by reaching out to people or conducting a small webinars or seminars.
Okay. Athira, as we all know that in India, So many issues like either it is global warming or it is caste based census is going on or Manipur issue is going on. So like center state relation means state related issue is going on. So you have reading the current affairs nowadays.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the dispute between state governor and center means CM? मतलब जो अभी डिस्प्यूट चल रहा है कभी कभी कुछ कुछ स्टेट के गवर्नर के और वहाँ के सीएम के बीच का, और हाँ इसको कैसे हम लोग सॉर्ट आउट कर सकते हैं?
It's related to the university, like if that is the issue which you are bringing up, then it's related to the universities.
UGC.
Yes, sir, UGCs.
Just go through the recent current affairs also. Why again Manipur is in the news?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, no issue. Who is new RBI governor and SEBI chairman?
RBI governor is Mr. Sanjay Malhotra and SEBI chairman is Mr. Tuhin Kantapande.
Okay. Last question from my side. How your BCom knowledge will help you in this State Bank of India provisionary officer job?
BCom knowledge, it was mostly related to, it was not just about finance but also economy and how economy works. Also, it was basically about how certain like expenses or income, how every particular single change in the spending or money with the people, how it works in an economy. So I think that would help me in this job.
Now guys, I am going to give feedback to my student. Okay, just try to listen the mock interview, take help from it, and if you are interested, my number is 7503235358. Thanks a lot.